Understanding I'm always on edge, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase in English. I'm always on edge. This phrase can be quite common in everyday conversations, movies, and TV shows. Understanding its meaning and how to use it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. When someone says they are on edge, they're expressing a feeling of being nervous, anxious, or tense. It's a state of emotional discomfort, where the person feels like they need to be constantly alert and can't relax. This phrase can be used in various situations, from personal experiences to work-related stress. It's a vivid way to convey how someone is feeling internally without going into specific details about the cause of their anxiety. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Before presentations. Every time I have to give a presentation at work, I'm always on edge. It's the anticipation that gets to me. 2. In social settings. Crowded places make me feel uncomfortable. I'm always on edge at big parties or events. 3. During stressful times. With all these deadlines coming up, I'm always on edge. I can hardly focus on anything else. These examples show that the phrase can be applied in a variety of contexts, emphasizing the person's emotional state in response to different stressors. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can expand your vocabulary and help you express the same idea in different ways. Here are a few. Tense. I'm feeling very tense about the meeting tomorrow. On pins and needles. Waiting for the test results has me on pins and needles. Stressed out. I've been so stressed out with moving to a new city. Using these alternatives can add variety to your conversations and writing, making your English more dynamic and expressive. Thank you for watching our video on the meaning and use of I'm always on edge. We hope this has cleared up any confusion and enriched your understanding of this common English phrase. Remember, learning a language is all about discovering new ways to express your feelings and experiences, so don't hesitate to use this phrase when you're feeling anxious or tense. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.